Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan, and in today's video, I'm talking to you all about a brand new app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers guaranteed pay. Now, I'm gonna have a link below, and when you sign up, they're gonna send you $15 bonus just for signing up and linking your account. You gotta do that. But this company is really filling in the gaps of the gig economy, and the gig economy for rideshare drivers, food delivery drivers, anybody basically who works for one of the major gig apps. They have a list on their site. But what I really like about Solo is that they literally have promos, and I'll walk through the website because I know you guys are gonna have tons of questions, and honestly I did too, because it sounded too good to be true. But they have an incredible business model. I met their team, I talked with their team, and they're doing something that, for one, the gig apps are kind of failing to do, right? They're kind of solving the issue for providing gig workers with financial help. And I think some of the things that Uber and Lyft and some of the other apps too is that they love to advertise it as, oh, you make 30 to 40 bucks an hour, and you know, you can quit your job and do this and have full and flexible freedom. But most gig workers soon realize that there's a lot of expenses that come with being a driver. And Solo really bridges that gap. They even give you tax projections on what you're gonna owe at the end of the year. They have mileage tracking to maximize your tax deductions. The cost of their app is a tax deduction, it says on their website. And they have this guaranteed pay feature in some markets, and they are expanding. So once you join, you're actually helping them potentially expand to that market. And they are nationwide for their other services. But let's get started. I want to share with you all what this is because I'm incredibly excited. So again, this is the website, and it's super important that you use my link because that's going to lock in your $15 bonus. And I actually received it today. In my Venmo account, I tested it out, and it does work. So you do get that $15 bonus as long as you type in your Venmo or PayPal. They send it to you just for signing up. It's this bonus that they have right now. But look at this. It's a business app for drivers. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm a little bit of a nerd when it comes to finances, and especially personal finance management. I think is incredibly important for everybody. And honestly, driving for Lyft and Uber and all of these apps taught me a tremendous amount of information about personal finance management, because I soon realized, well, you know, you go out and do a ride, okay, I just made $15 on that ride, but what was the actual, you know, true profit on that ride? You know, I spent $2 in gas, I spent $3 wear and tear in my car depreciated $1, and now after that 15 bucks, it's a lot less. So one of the main things they have here is this guaranteed pay feature option. It's right on their homepage. They have this app that shows you kind of how it works. So they have an example, guaranteed pay thing. So you're driving on October 16th, you go on, you can filter it on the highest paying one, schedule 6 hours, you get 200 bucks. So they actually have these different time zones, time when you work. Say at 10 a.m. you drive for Lyft for 1 hour. They guarantee you'll make 37 bucks. So if you go out and you drive and you know, make $25, they'll pay you the difference, $12. So, pretty awesome. And they even say here, like they have these pricing plans here, take home over $5,000 more a year for the average app-based drivers. And that's because they have one of these plans. It comes with, number one, it comes with automated mileage tracking. That's great that it's automated. I've seen a lot of apps where you have to type in, oh, this is a business, oh, this is personal. This one's automated, you know, every time you do a ride, they're gonna calculate that. They have federal tax projections, so you know how much you're gonna owe, you know, projected before you do it. And this one here, for $7.99 a month, you get access to this daily guaranteed pay. Free until the end of the month, by the way, so if you sign up now, it's gonna be free. But look at this, like, so if we just go back here, to my understanding, if you go out and you work and you only make, you know, 25 bucks, they're gonna send you, let's say you go out and you make $30 in 1 hour, which is pretty good. They're gonna pay you the 37 bucks. That nearly covers your entire cost for the whole month. it almost seems like a no-brainer. And again, it almost seems like it's too good to be true. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. You can write off your solo subscription as a business expense. So for $7.99 a month, you know, $8, let's just do some quick math. $7.99 per month times 12. It's $7.99 times 12, not plus 12. That's $95.88 of a write-off. So that's pretty good in my opinion, because you know that is basically, you're basically gonna owe, you know, a little bit less taxes. But if you know anything about write-offs, it's basically like, it's not free, but it's a nice expense to write off, let's put it that way. So yeah, I do like them also because they do have a really awesome blog. Nina Dubinsky wrote a blog about our 2022 record-breaking national Uber competition winners. Oh, they had the Rideshare Guy on there, it looks like. And I do believe if you go to their homepage, it even shows the partners that they have. And well, it does work for Amazon Flex, DoorDash, Grubhub, GoPuff, Instacart, Lyft, Shipt, Uber Eats. If you go down here, you see the Harry Campbell, the Rideshare Guy. Hey, I recognize that guy. Some people think I'm the Rideshare Guy. I'm the Rideshare Hub. I've had people say, oh, are you the Rideshare Guy? I'm like, well, I do make Rideshare videos, but I'm not the Rideshare Guy. There's only one Rideshare Guy, and that's Harry Mother Flippin' Campbell. I mean, look at that guy. What a great man. Let's give it a little shout out, a quick shout out to Harry Campbell. But yeah, they were seen in GeekWire, the Rideshare Guy, Fast Company, Bloomberg. Very awesome. Solo allows me to maximize potential as a driver by providing data on earnings, rush hours, and which platforms are performing the best. They even help me access platforms I've never used before, which led me to start driving Uber. Pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, guys, just want to share this opportunity for you guys. Again, use our link below to get 15 bucks as a bonus. You'll get your free trial. And yeah, thanks guys, you guys are awesome. Let me know what you think, by the way, of the app once you do sign up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.